You don't need a team, investors, or a huge audience to build a successful business in 2025. You just need the right AI playbook, and I'm about to show you mine. Most people think they need a team to run a business. But with AI, you can do what used to take 5 employees by yourself. Today, I'm giving you the exact AI Solopreneur Playbook that lets you build, grow, and run a one-person business with minimal stress. Stay with me, because step 4 is where most solopreneurs free up 80% of their time. 1. Nail your offer. No amount of automation matters if you don't have something people want. Use ChatGPT or Claude to brainstorm offers. Generate 10 profitable business ideas for busy professionals who want to save time. Then validate demand. Ask AI to summarize competitor reviews to see what people love or hate. 2. Build a simple sales funnel. Skip the complicated setups. Use tools like Systema.io or lead pages to create a one-page funnel. AI can write your headline, subhead, and even your email sequence. Your funnel should have one goal: capture interest and convert into customers. 3. Create your content. Engine content is your traffic source. Use Pictory, OpusClip, and 11 Labs to repurpose one video or blog into multiple posts. Long-form builds authority. Short-form brings discovery. AI handles the heavy lifting so you stay consistent. 4. Automate your operations. This is the secret sauce. Connect your tools with Zapier or Make.com. When someone buys, everything fires automatically. They get the product, your spreadsheet updates, and you get a notification. You don't touch a thing. 5. Leverage AI for customer service. AI chatbots like Tidio or ManyChat answer FAQs, send resources, even upsell products 24/7. You focus on growth while your bot handles the boring stuff. 6. Track and optimize. Don't guess, measure. Use Notion dashboards or Google Looker Studio to pull data automatically. Which funnel works best? Which video drives the most leads? Make decisions based on real numbers, not gut feelings. If you could automate just one part of your business today, what would it be? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want to see this playbook in action step by step, subscribe now. I post weekly breakdowns to help solopreneurs work less, earn more, and build businesses that run almost on autopilot.